and today I'll be making an egg dough sandwich. And I just watched this earlier on Songyang Longest channel. It seems so easy to follow, and I decided to make this today to see for myself if it really tastes that good because it looks so yummy. So come on, join me in making this, and let's hope we can all be successful in making this. For the ingredients, we're gonna need some egg, bread, spam, cheese, oil, and salt and pepper. You can use 2 eggs if it's big. If you'll be using small, you need 3 eggs. Let's put some salt and pepper. Just cut the bread into half. Yes, finally we're done making this. So I'm so excited to taste it. Does it look like the same? I don't think so, but let's see if it tastes good. Ooh. It's so messy. At first, I think it's really weird that we have blueberry jam, but it's not. Promise. It's really not. Success! Thanks everyone for watching this. I hope you enjoyed watching this as much as I did. So please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye!